Everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could verify if two columns with data are equal to each other. So let's say I have here this two columns, column B and column D, which I want to verify if all the numbers in these are equal to each other. So let's make it a little bit even bigger. And let's verify if they are equal to each other. To do that, you have two options. You can either use the VLOOKUP or you can use even simpler function. You click equal, you select the first value, equal the second value from the second column. So here I'm verifying if the column B values are equal to column D values, knowing that they're all sorted in the same order. Equal B2 equal D2. Let's verify if it's true. If it's true, it should show us a value true. If it's false, it should show us false. Click true, click enter, and click on the side of this true and double click, and it should apply this function to the whole values. Now, what happens if one value is not correct? So let's change here by 20. And it automatically changes to false. And this is an easy way how you can verify if the value of a column is equal to another column. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and easy for you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment, and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.